Good morning, Green Acres! Today is Tuesday. It is August 25th. It is a great day to be a Charger. Please stand for the flag salutes. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Well, today's big reminders look a lot like yesterday's big reminders. After our Zoom escapade yesterday, we want to remind everyone that it's important to show up, to continue to try to log into Zoom. We think we've got Zoom all figured out now, and so we shouldn't have any problems for tomorrow. Make sure that you are on time. We are going to start having our teachers taking attendance at the beginning of class, and that means that after the first couple of minutes, you will be late. And when we start talking about tardies, we start talking about other consequences after that. And of course, be ready to go. Make sure you all have all your work, that you are set and ready for class. Have your binder open, ready, have your homework out, your agenda ready to go, have everything out on your table next to your computer. We want you to be ready and prepared for class. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, Schoology is the place where you're going to get all of your information. Again, we had some craziness yesterday with regard to Clever and things, but now we should have everything ready to go and be right where we need to be. So once again, a quick reminder about Zoom. Do we share? Thank you for that very old piece of music that works out so nicely in this. No, we do not share our Zoom information. We make sure that we use it just for class and only for the people who should be in class. Thursday is back to school night. Remember, it is Thursday evening, starting at 5:15 with a parent meeting. 5:30, you'll go into your classes. There is on our GAMS Schoology website, there's an updated item from Mrs. Hawkins. It has BTSN Zoom links. Those are the links that you will use to get into each of your classes at the appropriate time. ASB Elections will be happening soon. Tomorrow, Wednesday, there is a meeting at 12:15 for those of you who are interested in running. See your history teacher for more information. You'll have an opportunity to run for president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, spirit commissioner, and activities commissioner if you're an 8th grader. However, this year, everyone will have an opportunity to vote. So excellent stuff for all of us. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.